In this exciting journey, we'll unveil the power of AI tools for your business, like Canva, Adobe Firefly, and Ideogram, showing you how to create stunning visuals without design experience. It's perfect for the entrepreneurs and small business owners looking to enhance their branding with AI. This tool will help guide you step by step in crafting eye-catching marketing materials that will stand out. Imagine saving time and money while producing professional quality visuals that captivate your audience. Whether you're an aspiring creative or you're a seasoned pro looking to elevate your brand, this is your chance to learn from an experienced professional and to discover the magic of AI-driven visuals. So let's dive in. I want the secrets to branding with AI, turning your creative designs and dreams into reality. Understanding AI tools for business like Canva, Adobe, Firefly, and Ideogram are revolutionizing how entrepreneurs create visuals without design experience. These platforms offer intuitive interfaces that make design accessible to everyone, regardless of skill and level. For businesses, the advantages are clear: time-efficient processes and cost-effectiveness designs and solutions. Personally, I've watched my own marketing efforts soar by integrating these tools, quickly elevating the quality and impact of my visual content. So whether it's crafting from eye-catching logo or designing comprehensive marketing materials, AI-driven platforms empower you to maintain professional quality identity that resonates with your audience. These tools are not just about ease, they're about enabling creativity on a grand scale. So getting started with Canva. Canva is the powerhouse for beginners wanting to create visuals without design experience. It's user-friendly, designs let anyone become a designer in minutes. From social media posts to full-fledged brochures, Canva offers a myriad of templates to kickstart your creativity. Simply choose a design, modify the text, and customize the elements to fit your brand. For instance, I've seen a small business owner transform their brand by consistently using Canva to design cohesive marketing tools. They went from zero to hero in their local market, proving power of branding with AI and Canva. So you're not just designing, you're building a recognizable professional brand image with ease. Exploring Adobe Firefly. Adobe Firefly offers unparalleled AI capabilities, elevating your design work via professional quality visuals with minimum effort. This tool is similar to Canva, and it leverages advanced AI to bring your creative visions to life, whether you're enhancing your photos or crafting a new ad image. Imagine using Adobe Firefly to breathe life into your concept, creating visuals that wow your audience. With its cutting-edge tools, Adobe Firefly ensures you're not merely participating, but you're leading in the industry. And now it has AI text-to-video creation, the creating with Ideogram. When it comes to introducing Ideogram, think of it as a unique tool for your creative arsenal. Ideogram helps you create visuals without design experience by focusing on marketing materials with AI-driven precision. Its unique offer allows you to experiment with different styles and effects, elevating simple concepts into eye-catching visuals. This tool is a partner in innovation, enabling you to push the boundaries to infuse your marketing efforts with vibrant, compelling designs that capture and hold the viewer's attention. So comparing AI tools. When considering which AI tools for business to incorporate into your strategy, it's crucial to weigh the pros and cons. Canva offers ease and flexibility. ideal for quick projects without a need for deep design skills. Adobe Firefly brings professional depth and quality, suited more refined, polished outputs. Ideogram, on the other hand, provides unique creative enhancements, perfect for standing out in the competitive spaces. Your choice depends on your specific needs. Integrating these AI tools can transform your marketing strategy, enabling you to edit stunning visuals that respond with your audience and reinforce your brand's identity. Real-life application success stories abound when entrepreneurs enhance AI-driven visuals. These tools not only save time and money, but they empower users to produce high-quality marketing materials that elevate their brand. Imagine creating a sophisticated social media campaign in hours, not days, or developing a striking product brochure without hiring a designer. AI tools like Canva, Firefly, and Ideogram have allowed businesses to thrive by streamlining the design processes, optimizing resources, and enhancing creativity. For the resourceful entrepreneur, these tools are more than the solutions. They are the gateways to innovation and efficiency, ensuring your brand stays competitive and visually appealing. So take a leap, get creative, and watch your business grow. You have the tools. Now make them work for you and shine a light on your brand. So my final thoughts to transform your business with AI. Let these tools inspire you to elevate your brand's visual. I encourage you to share your AI visuals, creations, and experiences in the comments. Let's create a community of innovation and support where each of us grows through success and creativity. Embrace these tools and let your creativity journey begin.